Welcome to Crypto Horizon. In today's video, we're diving deep into the exciting world of MEXC Global, one of the leading cryptocurrency exchanges in the market today. If you're looking to trade, invest, or simply explore the crypto universe, MEXC Global has a lot to offer. MEXC Global provides a user-friendly platform that caters to both beginners and seasoned traders. With a wide range of cryptocurrencies available for trading, you can diversify your portfolio effortlessly. Whether you're interested in Bitcoin, Ethereum, or the latest altcoins, MEXC Global has you covered. One of the key benefits of using MEXC Global is its competitive trading fees. Unlike many exchanges that burden users with high fees, MEXC Global ensures that you keep more of your profits in your pocket. Plus, their advanced trading features allow you to execute your strategies effectively, enhancing your overall trading experience. Now, let's talk about security. MEXC Global prioritizes the safety of your assets by implementing top-notch security measures. With features like two-factor authentication and cold wallet storage, you can trade with peace of mind knowing your investments are protected. And here's an exciting opportunity for you. By using our referral code 12K4M5 when signing up, you can unlock exclusive benefits and rewards. This not only boosts your trading experience, but also gives you access to special promotions that can enhance your potential earnings. Don't miss out on this chance to maximize your experience with MEXC Global. So, whether you're a newbie looking to get started in crypto trading or an experienced trader wanting to explore new options, MEXC Global is a fantastic choice. Remember to use the referral code 12K4M5 to enjoy the added advantages and make the most out of your trading journey. Thank you for joining us today on Crypto Horizon. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insightful content about cryptocurrency. Until next time, happy trading!